Alright, so I know it's a bit late, but let's unbox my Ipsy for January 2022. This is the Glam Bag, and I don't know how much it is now. It used to be $12. I don't know if it's like $14, $13 now. But you get 5 deluxe sample sizes. Let's go ahead and get started. I will leave the link down below if you would like to check it out. I am thinking about maybe subscribing to Allure Beauty Box. Let me know if you've tried it. What do you think? I already do BoxyCharm as well here. This is the little bag this month. I really like this little bag. I swear this is like why I keep the Glam Bag, not Glam Bag Plus. I don't think they do the bags, just like a little string bag thing. The color is nice. I wasn't expecting something like this for January, but okay. It has a little happy face. How cute. For some reason I really like yellow. Just makes me happy, you know. Oh, here it is. So this is called Happy Vibes. This month, make time for the things that make you smile. Oh, that's so cute. Handbag X coming in February. It's packed with swoon worthy brands like Item Beauty, Pat McGrath, Benefit Cosmetics, Stila. So upgrade to snag 8 full-size faves. You choose 3 worth up to $500 for only $55. Wow. Okay, so Glam Bag X. I don't think I've heard of that. This doesn't give you like the items, what it has, how much it is. So I don't know why they stopped doing that. This is from Mott. This is the first item. It was outside of the bag. It says dab and tap makeup sponge. I love getting makeup sponges, but I'm very picky with makeup sponges. I don't wet them. So this says latex free, cruelty free, vegan. Just seems like very small, and the shape is just very basic to me. This is by the brand Bell and Argent. And these are neutrals. I really like the little packaging. It's very cute. Call Sheet and Production Eyeshadow Duo. This is like a color that I would wear, like this one, I guess, for all over the lid, and this like in the center. Okay. And I believe this is called Latte Bronzer. You don't see me swatching, is most likely because it's going on a giveaway. That's interesting. The box is a little messed up. I have heard of this brand, IBY Sunkissed Glow Highlighter, Maldives. It's not easy for me to open things with my nails. Oh, that highlighter looks gorgeous. Looks like a beautiful like champagne, which is up my alley. How pretty is that? What do you guys think? And we have a skincare product here, which I'm happy that is the only skincare. Not that I don't like skincare, but I prefer makeup. This is from First Aid Beauty. I really like this brand. This is the Ultra Repair Cream. Safe for sensitive skin. No parabens, no harsh chemicals or colorants. How to use. Help hydrate dry, parched skin. Temporary help. Relieve minor irritation and itching due to eczema and other conditions. And I see this has like oatmeal skin protectant, eczema, rashes, poison ivy. Okay, that's really cool. See that? Oh, this is a 1 ounce, so that's a pretty good size. My hands are so dry. Can you see that? Because I sanitize a lot and wash a lot, so this will come in handy, right? I think you could put it on your hands. No artificial fragrance. I'm definitely gonna use this. And a lot of the things I'm gonna give away, I also have things that I'm gonna give away from BoxyCharm. I have here, so stay tuned. That's my next giveaway, and let me know, what do you think about Allure Beauty? I used to get Glossy Box. It was alright. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you received your Ipsy. Maybe I'll switch it for 1 month, cancel BoxyCharm, and get the Glam Bag Plus from Ipsy instead. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.